Foods to limit for a healthy diet. So here are some foods that may not be as good for your health. We know a lot of these, so highly processed foods like we talk about, stick as much to the natural food sources, the whole food sources as possible that are least processed. Those are best for your body. They make you feel the most full. You get the most nutrition from them. Processed foods, sometimes not so much. It's not that you can never eat them, so it doesn't say foods never to eat, but it says limit, so for the most part, try to avoid these foods. Sausages and luncheon meats, high sugar foods, flavored yogurts, flavored milk, juice, oily fried food, fast food, and bakery items. Generally try to avoid these. Juice is one that a lot of people start to question me, like, oh, is an apple juice and orange juice healthy? Well, some of the packaged juices in stores, they have added sugars in them, not the best. And generally, juices cause more of a blood sugar spike in your body. And we're going to talk a little bit more about blood sugar spikes, but generally, if you can avoid juices, that's actually a good idea. Try to eat fruit in their whole form so that you eat more fiber and it's better for your blood sugar.